Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to display data from a remote SQL server in HTML5 table using PHP coding. Here I am using the remote database myLittleAdmin for SQL server. And right now here I am in Notepad++. The file name is connection.php and this file is located in the local computer. After writing the code, I will upload this connection.php into my remote GoDaddy hostings. Before writing the PHP code, the first thing we need the HTML5 Bootstrap code. For that, let's go to the getbootstrap.com and we'll get the HTML code from there. Now here I am in getbootstrap.com. Getting started, click. Here the basic template. Click on it. The code, just copy up to the HTML code. It's a basic responsive HTML Bootstrap template and paste the code in the connection.php. And here I am pasting the code. After I pasted the Bootstrap HTML code, the next step we need the Bootstrap CDN links. Let's copy those links and paste here. Here the Bootstrap CDN. We have to add this Bootstrap CDN file on the HTML code. Let's copy this and paste in the connection.php file. And paste the links between the head section. After adding the Bootstrap CDN links, now the next one is, let us change this one into display records from the myLittleAdmin for SQL Server database. Now at this moment we just finished the HTML5 coding. Now the next step is write the PHP code. To write the PHP code, question mark PHP, question mark this one. In order to connect any database, whether it's MySQL or SQL Server, we need the connection string settings. So here I am declaring the server name, connection info, and the third variable is con. So here we require now the database connection string of myLittleAdmin for SQL Server. Let's log into my GoDaddy myLittleAdmin SQL Server account. I'm signed into GoDaddy account to log in my myLittleAdmin for SQL Server. Sign in. After I log into myLittleAdmin for SQL Server, now go to the connection info, click connection. Here the data source, which is nothing but a host name. Copy this IP address and paste that server name, which is IP address of the database. And the next variable is connection info. The connection info, I'm declaring an array. The first one is the database. And the second one is the user ID, UID, and the third one is the password, PWD. Here the database is, after the data source, now we need the database. Just copy the database name. I am pasting the database name. Here the username is, I'm giving the username and password Here I used the username and password are the dummy ones. At the time of uploading this file, I will change the user ID and password into the real credentials. For the security reasons, I am not showing my username and password here. And third one is the connection info. The method I'm using SQL Server underscore connect method, which takes two parameters. One is the server name and the other one is the connection info. Copy this and paste here. After writing the connection info, if $con echo connection successful, if the connection is failed, echo failed to connect the database. Break die the method print underscore r, which takes two parameters. One is the method SQL Server underscore errors method, which displays any errors, and the other one is the other parameter is the return boolean type true. Now here $SQL, I'm giving the SQL query statement here. Before writing the select statement, we'll check the table name, expand the user database. Here the my host and server, expand the my host and server, and the tables, I'm using the EMP table, open table, and this is the EMP table I'm using in the select statement. And the select statement is select start from EMP table, and as well as I'm declaring the table columns also, the employee name, the other one is the occupation. These are the two columns are available in the EMP table. $stmt is equals to the method you are using to retrieve the query is a query method, which takes two parameters. One is the connection, and the other one is the SQL query statement. If $stmt triple equals to false, die print underscore r, which takes two parameters, SQL Server underscore errors method, it will display if any errors, and the other one is a boolean type, which is true. After this, I need a HTML5 table here to display the employee name and occupation columns in a table. Echo, write the table class. I'm using the class table, and this table class belongs to the Bootstrap. tr th, which is the employee name. Close this th. Another header. The header is the occupation. Close the tr column while $row is equals to SQL Server underscore fetch underscore add a method which takes two parameters. One is the stmt, this one, copy here, and the other parameter is sql or v underscore fetch underscore assoc, curly brackets, echo tr echo td close this 3d here. Between these td's, two dots, dollar row, square brackets. Between the single quotes we have to give the employee name, and the next one is the occupation, echo, close this tr tag, now after closing the tr tag, now we need to close the table tag. Make sure this table tag after the while loop, don't give inside the while loop, otherwise it doesn't display in the table. That's it. Here is body's close. I think everything is perfect. Save the connection.php file. Now it's time to upload this file into my GoDaddy remote server. Now I'm uploading the file connection.php through file manager. Clicking file manager, click upload, add file. The connection.php file is at the desktop. See, here is the connection.php. I've just uploaded here, and copy this, and the website name is greatdiscounts.co.in. Let's check in the browser with connection.php, and in the browser the domain name is greatdiscounts.co.in / and the file name is the connection.php. Enter. Here is the output on the browser, the employee table, employee name and occupation. Now let's check. Now let's copy the URL. We will check that this table is mobile friendly or not, and we'll check the small Samsung Galaxy Y, which is a small mobile. Paste the code here, go. So here is the output, Samsung Galaxy mobile device. It's perfectly fit in the mobile device. There is no horizontal scroll bar. That's it. If you like this video, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Catch you on my upcoming videos.